Tech is taking over. All around the world, machines are slowly taking up tasks once reserved for humans. In the hospitality industry, customer service and satisfaction is the endgame, and what better to cater to your needs than an inexhaustible programmable automaton? Hotels in the future could be entirely staffed by machines, starting with realistic-looking cyborgs welcoming guests at the front desk. Checking in will be done via a self-service kiosk, which includes facial authentication for keyless entry. A robot-operated cloakroom will be available for guests who need to store or retrieve belongings. Instead of a bellhop, an electric porter will carry luggage while leading the way to the guest's room. Smart room controls detect motion and adjust lighting and temperature accordingly. Items may be bought or requested and will be delivered directly to the rooms. With a phone call notifying guests that their items have arrived. Room controls could also be programmed to provide wake-up calls. Smart window displays could be incorporated to provide guests with information relevant to their trip. Likewise, robots will be in charge of housekeeping, tidying up rooms quickly and efficiently. Soon, even meals will be prepared by programmable robot arms and then served by robotic waiters. A robot concierge will also be on hand 24/7 to answer guests' questions and help with booking and arrangements. Fully automated hotels may not be too far off. Japan already has the Hena Hotel in Nagasaki, with more on the way. Of course, not everyone is on board with the idea, as some argue the loss of human interaction may have an impact on overall customer satisfaction. What do you think? Say no to safe spaces on YouTube. Support TomoNews at patreon.com/TomoNews. Keep watching to see more of what the future has in store.
New Japanese hotel is controlled almost entirely by robots. A hotel that is run almost completely by robots has opened in Japan. The Hena Hotel, which means Weird Hotel in English, has opened in Nagasaki. Approximately 80 robots manage a variety of services at the hotel, including carrying the guests' bags. Rooms also use facial recognition to allow patrons entry instead of a key. There are also plans for drones to be used to bring meals to guests in the future. A high-tech system also gauges how hot or cold guests are and adjusts the temperature accordingly. There are only roughly 10 human employees at the hotel who monitor security and cleaning services, reducing costs for human staff by 3/4.
いらっしゃいませ。変なホテルへようこそ。本日の宿泊者データを確認しますので、お名前をフルネームでおっしゃってください。
This cargo robot may become your best grocery shopping partner. Scooter manufacturer Vespa has created a robot that can follow you around and carry your things for you. Jita is 26 inches tall and can carry up to 40 pounds of cargo in its compartment. It can travel at bicycle-like speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. Users wear a white belt that is equipped with a forward-facing camera. Jita is connected to the belt by sensors. It relies on simultaneous localization and mapping technology, as well as the camera system to create a map of its surroundings. Jita can then make a trip to the same location by itself using the map that it created. The robot will be officially launched in the US on February 2nd. Honda is ready to release its robotic walking assistant in November. Automobile manufacturer Honda has developed a robotic walking assistant device to help rehabilitate patients learning to walk again. The device can also aid the elderly and those with walking disabilities. When the device is attached around a person's pelvis and thighs, a sensor measures the walking patterns of each user and submits data displayed visually on a tablet. The robotic walking assistant device weighs around 2.7 kilograms and has a battery life that lasts about 60 minutes. In November 2015, the robotic walking assistant device will be available to medical institutions in Japan. The device is expected to improve users' motor skills and increase the distance they can walk. The technology was created as part of the research and development of Asmo, Honda's advanced humanoid robot.
Say no to safe spaces on YouTube. Support TomoNews at patreon.com/TomoNews. Switzerland to test robot parcel delivery service. Switzerland's National Postal Service will soon test using robots to deliver packages in 3 cities, including the capital Bern. The self-driving robot has 6 wheels and is designed to deliver food and medicine. The robot delivers packages within a 5-kilometer radius and is remotely monitored by humans to ensure safety. It is equipped with cameras and sensors that allow it to detect and avoid obstacles. To ensure security, receivers use a smartphone application to access the package inside the robot. According to CNN Money, the robots are already being tested in Britain and Germany and are expected to be tested in Washington, D.C. soon.